Hey everybody, so I'm here in the garage and it's time to change the thermostat. When I got the Rambler from Dad, he told me that this motor is a Chevy 350 out of an 84 Blazer K10 type motor from Canada. And the thermostat is a 210. I can tell because every time I drive comfortably, it sits at 210 on the temperature thing. Well, here down in the south, 210 is kind of hot. So I got me a thermostat that's rated for 160. And I got me a little gasket to go with it. I got it home, and as you can tell, I got one fan going here and one fan going here. And for the last 2 hours, I've been having this thing cool down. Mainly, I wanted it cool enough so that when I touched this right here, it was not going to burn the holy Jesus out of me. So it's cool to the touch now, so I feel safe that I can go ahead and unplug this and put on my new thermostat. All right. Well, crapola. What I figured is I've got a bracket here that goes over my alternator that hooks to my water pump that I can't move unless it's unhooked from something. So let's unhook it from the water pump and see if I can swivel it. So I can't remove it without taking my fan shroud off, which is another thing I gotta remove. Crap. It always turns into that, don't it? You gotta take this off, to take that off, to take these off, to take those off. Alright, help me keep count here. I'm gonna cut these loose. I got them on with tie straps. I got 1, 2. Get off there. 3, 4. This should come out of the way. It does. Hooray. Alright, now I gotta loosen the tensioner. That's what that's for. That's a tensioner. Should be the same as this, which is a 9/16. And it's not. Let's go smaller. How about a half? Yep, it's a half. There we go. That at least gets that loosening out of the way. Alright, now, some of my fancy work here, you guys might remember I was having trouble getting this thing to seat, so I'd actually put silicone there to get it to sit. Kind of regretting that now. Anyway, let's get this thing off. It's also got another nut here. This one comes out. So let me remove that. I've already got it loosened up. Oh look, it's one of these. Isn't that creative? Alright. Oh! Antifreeze. Crapola. Well, crap. Hey, on a positive note, I got to the thermostat. Let's clean this up.